Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit fade in and fade out on Capcut. First, open Capcut and then tap on New Project. Then select the video you would like to edit. This is the video I want to edit. So I'll select this and then tap on Add. Once it's added to your trackboard, tap on the video on the trackboard and here, and then tap on animation. We're going to put first the fade in effect on this video, so we'll tap on in, and then here you'll see the third animation. It's fade in. Tap on that. Then you can edit the duration of this fade in effect. So let's say I want it to be on maybe 4-5 seconds in here, and then tap on the check mark, and then where the fade in effect ends, you need to tap on split. Tap on split, and then we're going to put the fade out effect. So tap on animation again, tap on out, and then tap on fade out. And then you'll also have an option to edit the duration of this one. So let's say it's also 5 seconds. Here. Go back and then let's try to play the video. So you can see it's fade in and then it's going to fade out on this. And that's how to edit fade in and fade out on Capcut. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.